सो हेलो एवरीवन, फाइनली इंस्टीट्यूट ने यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन जो है वो 25 सितंबर 2021 को इश्यू कर दी है। एंड फॉर मी इट इज़ एन वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट द एग्ज़ाम इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड, एंड इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट टू दो स्टूडेंट हु हैव ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. They are well prepared, but now the examination is going to be merged with the December 2021 term of examination. So that is the for me it is a very disappointing news that after watching that notification it seems to be merged with a December 2021 attempt, and it is very disappointing for me, and it is very unlucky. I am feeling unfortunate that those students who have already prepared are not going to give examination because institute is now merging the intermediate and final examination in the December 2021 session. What is the reason? Let's see. This is the information of all the concern that it has been decided to postpone the intermediate and final examination of the June 2021 session due to unavoidable circumstances. So I could not able to understand what are the unavoidable circumstances. If anyone know, please do let me know what are the unavoidable circumstances because of that institute is not able to conduct the examination and has decided to not to conduct examination in October. So that is very unfortunate for me. Stand postpone and the June 2021 examination stand merge with the intermediate and final examination for December 2021 session with due carry forward of all the relevant benefit already available with the institute, including the fee payment and subject wise exemption. So whatever the fees you have paid, it will remain same, and you are not required to apply again for the same group or for the same level, and the exemption will also be carry forward, so you are not required to worry much about the all the things. Examination form already submitted by the candidate student for the intermediate and final June 2021 session will remain same for the intermediate and final examination to be held in the December 2021. Candidate students need not to apply, so you have to remember that you are not required to again apply. So other things are already mentioned here, so you can check it out. The examination notification and revised schedule of the examination in detail will be announced soon. So still the biggest question is what is announced soon. Students are preparing since last 6 months or 8 months or 12 months, but still examination is not going to be conducted. So what I know what you guys are feeling, but now what we can do is we have to take care of ourselves, because this isn't something that we are not expecting from the institute, and we want to give examination, but because of that unavoidable circumstances, we institute is not going to conduct the examination. So we will see later on. I will be creating one more video considering your opinion, what you guys are thinking. So now for a time being, keep it aside for a thing and take a rest for a few days or a week as per your convenience. So thank you, bye, and take care, and all the best for examination. Now examination is going to be conducted in the December 2021, so all the best for that. And now what I could say, जितनी मीन्स मुझे लगता है कि मीन्स हमारी अगर चद्दर ही मीन्स छोटी थी तो हमें पैर भी मीन्स छोटे ही बाहर रखने चाहिए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा पैर हमने बाहर रख लिए थे. आई थिंक वी हैव एक्सपेक्टेड more from the institute, but what we are getting is merging of the examination. So totally disappointed news for me. So thank you, bye, and take care, and all the best, and share this video if you feel so.